No stove, no oil smoke, and not a single drop of water. I bet you've never seen a rice cooker pushed to its limits like this. Today, I'm revealing 5 ultimate lazy-style recipes. Master these, and you'll be the head chef of your home.
This is how you make homemade honey glazed char siu. It's foolproof and incredibly simple. The secret sauce is the soul of this dish. 1 piece of fermented bean curd, a spoonful of honey, and a scoop of oyster sauce. Mix it well and let it sit for a moment. Choose a well-marbled pork collar for the best texture. Add some scallions, ginger, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce for umami, and half a spoon of dark soy for that rich color. Pour in the secret sauce and massage the meat until every piece is perfectly coated. Seal it and refrigerate for 2 hours to let the flavors soak deep inside. Lay down some ginger slices and scallion sections at the bottom of the rice cooker. Place the marinated pork inside and pour over the remaining sauce. No extra water needed. Just hit the rice button and wait. The aroma fills the room the moment you open it. Look at that gorgeous ruby red glaze. Let it cool down slightly, then slice it into thin pieces. It's incredibly tender and juicy, a perfect balance of sweet and savory with a hint of fermented goodness. Place the peeled dragon fruit straight into the rice cooker. Add 3 eggs and mash them thoroughly by hand. This turns into a classic delicacy, and the best part is not a single drop of water is needed. Once mixed, add 4 spoons of flour, 2 spoons of sugar, and a packet of high-sugar resistant yeast. Mix until it reaches a yogurt-like consistency, then cover and let it proof for 40 minutes. Once the time is up, stir it well to release the air bubbles. Pour in a bit of cooking oil and keep stirring until the batter becomes elastic. Cover it again and let it proof a second time until it doubles in size. Top it off with some raisins and a sprinkle of white sesame seeds. Close the lid and press the rice button. Now, we wait. It smells amazing the moment you open it. Now, let's flip it over and remove the mold. And there you have it, a fluffy, vibrant dragon fruit steamed cake is ready to serve. Next time you buy chicken, stop just braising it or making soup. Try my method instead. I guarantee once this hits the table, your family won't even leave the bones. No stove, no oily smoke, all you need is a standard rice cooker to get it done. First, rub the skin with salt and white vinegar. This step effectively removes excess grease and any gamey smell. Here is the key. Scald the skin with boiling water for 10 seconds, then immediately shock it with cold water. Using the principle of thermal expansion and contraction, the skin becomes incredibly firm and crispy. Let's make the soul of the dish. 2 spoons of light soy, half a spoon of dark soy, pepper, and peanut oil. Peanut oil not only adds aroma, but also locks in the moisture for a silky texture. Coat the chicken evenly with the sauce and let it marinate for 30 minutes to absorb all the flavors. Line the cooker with scallions and onions to prevent sticking, add the chicken, and pour over that rich remaining sauce. Remember, do not add any water. Just press the rice button and let it braise for 35 minutes. Wow, it smells incredible. Look at that ruby red glaze, the skin is crispy, and every bite is bursting with juice. Both kids and adults will love this. Now that you've mastered this secret, save the recipe and treat your family today. Making yogurt for your family is actually very easy. All you need is a rice cooker. Place a cloth inside the rice cooker, then prepare a clay pot or a small bowl. Pour in 500 grams of pure milk and add a spoonful of sugar. Add a packet of yogurt starter culture and stir it well with a spoon. Close the lid, and here's the key. Pour half a pot of freshly boiled water into the cooker. Remember, keep it warm but do not plug it in. Let it sit undisturbed overnight. Open the lid the next morning, and look, my homemade yogurt is ready. It's rich, creamy, and completely free of additives, pure and healthy for everyone. Isn't it simple? If your family loves yogurt, go ahead and give this a try today. Don't throw away that expired cola. Pour it into your rice cooker for the most tender, fall-off-the-bone wings you've ever tasted. Pour the parboiled chicken wings straight into the rice cooker. No oily smoke and not a single drop of water needed. It turns into a crowd favorite dish instantly. First, lay a layer of sliced onions at the bottom to add aroma and prevent sticking. Spread the wings evenly on top and add 2 slices of ginger. Add a tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a spoon of dark soy, and a pinch of salt. Finally, pour in that cola that's about to expire. It gives the wings a beautiful glaze and makes the meat incredibly tender. I put my heart into teaching simple, delicious home cooking every day. If this helps, please give me a like and support my work. Close the lid, press the rice button, and let it braise for about 40 minutes. The moment you open it, the aroma fills the room and makes your mouth water. These cola wings are so tender they fall off the bone, perfectly sweet, savory, and great with rice. If you like this, save the recipe and show off your skills to your family today.